Welcome back to our channel. If you wish to know how blockchain technology powers things like smart contracts and decentralized applications, you have come to the right place. Today, we are diving into the world of Solidity programming. We'll cover what it is, why it's important, and how you can start using it to create your own smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. So let's get started. What is Solidity? Solidity is a high-level programming language created specifically for writing smart contracts. These smart contracts are executed on the Ethereum blockchain, making them essential for decentralized applications or DApps. In a sense, Solidity is like the backbone language for most blockchain developers working on Ethereum. Think of it like JavaScript for web development. Solidity is the main language that powers much of the Ethereum ecosystem. Why is Solidity important? So, why should we care about Solidity? The answer lies in decentralization. In traditional systems, we rely on centralized servers like banks or online payment processors to manage our money and data. But Solidity allows developers to create applications that don't rely on a central authority. With Solidity, you can write programs that manage funds, execute agreements, and operate autonomously on the blockchain. Imagine sending funds directly to a friend overseas without a bank. Solidity makes these decentralized interactions possible by programming if this then that rules directly into the Ethereum blockchain. How does Solidity work? Alright, now let's talk about how Solidity actually works. When you write code in Solidity, it's called high-level code, which is similar to languages like Python or JavaScript. This code is then compiled or translated into bytecode, a type of machine-readable code that runs on the Ethereum virtual machine or EVM. The EVM is like the operating system for Ethereum, where all smart contracts get executed. This allows your Solidity code to be verified, run, and stored across thousands of computers around the world, making it almost impossible to alter once it's deployed. Solidity basics, key concepts. Now that we understand the basics, let's dive into some key concepts in Solidity. If you're planning to code in Solidity, these are the terms you'll need to know. Smart contracts, functions, variables, events, modifiers. How to get started with Solidity. Ready to start programming in Solidity? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Install MetaMask. First, you'll need a crypto wallet to interact with Ethereum test networks. MetaMask is one of the easiest to use. Install it as a browser and extension and you're ready to go. Set up Remix IDE. Remix is an online Solidity IDE that allows you to write, test, and deploy contracts without installing software. Go to remix.ethereum.org and you'll be up and running quickly. Practice with test networks. Use test networks like Rinkeby or Ropsten to practice. These networks mimic Ethereum but use test Ether, so you're not risking real money. Join the community. Join online communities like the Ethereum Stack Exchange or the Solidity GitHub for support, advice, and examples. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to writing, deploying, and testing your own Solidity code on the Ethereum blockchain. And that's it, your introduction to Solidity programming. Whether you are a blockchain enthusiast, a developer, or just someone curious about decentralized technology, Solidity offers a powerful toolset to bring your ideas to life on Ethereum. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tech tutorials. Let us know in the comments below if there is any specific Solidity topic you would like us to cover. Thank you so much for watching.